Welcome. If you want to activate OK Google command in your Google Assistant on Umidigi S2 Lite, at the first you have to go right here for the Google folder and enter Google application. Next we have to move right here for the more and go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the voice, and here we can go for the voice match. Then we have to activate this feature, Hey Google, so click. We have to get access to the Hey Google by clicking next. Then tap here, tap that we agree. Right now we have to wait a little bit. And as you can see, Hey Google is ready. So let's try if it is working. Hey Google. And as you can see right now, it is activated. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.